What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. I'm sure I told you guys sometimes I feel like I'm neglecting myself. I haven't really done any self-care all year and I've really been working hard behind the scenes. It's why I haven't been as active as I promised. Yeah, it's always something. But for real, something came up that kind of has my attention, so I haven't quite figured out how to balance everything just yet. Your girl is booked and busy, okay? Anyways, because of me being so busy now, I feel somewhat burnt out and I don't feel too good about myself. This is Project Doll. First thing on the agenda, lashes. Hey guys! I don't know if this is going to be like a maintenance vlog or if it's just going to be a regular vlog and I'm gonna flinging me doing my lashes here and there. But my lash tech has abandoned me for months and she finally have time for me now. But you know, I can't to blame her because it's exciting. Going to do a hybrid set because I haven't done that in a long time. Probably be back when I finish the lashes. Okay?
Show my love. Can I show my love for you? 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 Can I show my love?
You guys don't mind my red eye right now. I opened my eyes during the process, so that's what I get. But I really have tried to be that girl who always has her toes done. You guys already know I can do it myself, but I like being pampered, so off to Tootsie's I go for my pedi.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I touch that 5 for you. I do that 3 4 times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking, now in for me. I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
This was my first time doing French, by the way, so are we feeling it or should I go back to black? Let me know in the comments.
Nobody's like you do. I can't lose.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and I'm back with another video. So we are starting off the vlog with a little activity. So I received this package from POPSEWING. It's basically a site for handmade bags, so I'm gonna DIY this bag myself. I literally have all the pieces right here and I am going to watch a tutorial on how to make this specific bag, and I figured that would be kind of cool for you guys to watch. So I'm also going out tonight. Don't know if I'm gonna wear this bag tonight, but you know, feel like it's a little boss. I don't know. As I mentioned earlier, this DIY kit is from POPSEWING. I'll leave all their information in the description box below, but basically you can either buy the bags already made from their website, or if you're bored or want a challenge, you can get the kit and make the bag yourself. It comes with all the materials you'll need, and you just need to WhatsApp them or message them on Instagram asking for the video tutorial of the kit you ordered and just follow the instructions. It's a bit confusing at first, but once you get with the motion after a while, it becomes really therapeutic. Well, at least to me.
Better say my name. The other day, I would call, you would say, baby, how's your day? But today, it ain't the same. Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? If you took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me.
Why are we doing this? Because I'm on my phone way too much. Between leisure and work, I am just glued to all my technological devices, and I didn't want to leave the house to go socialize with anybody, so I decided to sew. Fun fact, this is something I've loved doing since I was small. I was always making clothes for my dolls and decided to alter my own clothes one day. And I still do that to this day. You know, I still be doing that. But I was frustrated with this project last year, so I left it alone. But that's why we're picking it back up this year. I needed something to do to just escape, and I felt at peace doing it. Give it a shot. Good morning. So I don't know what day it is today, honestly, and I'm not even going to check. But I woke up and I decided that I was gonna go to the supermarket. It is now 9:48. Wow, the camera battery is dying. So in the meantime, I'm gonna plug in my other little battery. Before I was rudely interrupted, I was telling you guys that I'm going to the supermarket. I think today I'm gonna go to General Foods because they have this turkey bacon that I like, but they haven't had it for the past couple of weeks. And everywhere else that I check, like Mega Mart and Loshushan and Hilo and all of them, I can't find it. It's pissing me off because that's the one I really like. My lashes are wet. They look very crony. Ew. I'm gonna have to dry them while I'm in the cab. But yeah, I just wake up and I feel hungry and I decide to listen to the supermarket because I get from back to rest. I'll see you guys when I'm there. The truth is, I haven't been eating. I haven't had an appetite all year, and I've been eating once a day or none at all. If I do eat, it's probably ramen or maybe chais, and I don't know, one chai's kitchen, but that's about it. I'm really happy I didn't lose any weight though, because I'd be devastated after I worked so hard to gain the little pounds that I gained. And I haven't bought groceries all year either, so this is my attempt to start cooking and eating up my interstables because I really want to be healthy and happy. And while we're on the topic of happiness, y'all really thought I stuck to this gym stuff, huh? Well, I tried. I did go this year, but I wasn't consistent because of all the other obligations, as I stated earlier. But the gym is my happy place, and I've been miserable without it. I can't give up my place of peace for anything else. It keeps me from being so angry all the time, and it keeps me in shape. How can I not love it? Plus, I'm still trying to gain some muscle and sing aside. Yeah.
Bitches do Pilates when you're rich, dog. So if she can't pop a squat, then that's a rip off. Keep a CDG, y'all niggas ripped off. Young nigga been, I think that he the only one. That nigga magistrated with some Jordan 1. If it ain't issy, then it's me. New old, new blows. Bad bitch from Pronto. And we shoot movies, not photos. She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
I've been waiting all this my whole life.
She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
You know what? Maybe you're right.
She not in it for the fame. Nobody know her name.
Coming like a thief in the night. 2 phones on me stereotype. Woman know me, I'm pretty who I like. It's not a fake bitch in sight. Coming like a thief in the night.
16 missed calls.
After all that, I can finally just tend to myself. I feel like I'm always so willing to take care of other people, but not myself, so I'm finally doing some skincare. I cannot tell when last I've done anything to my skin, and I just thank God I haven't been breaking out too bad, because again, I'd be devastated. I feel like I don't put effort into making sure I look good all the time, and maybe that's why I don't always feel good about myself. So I'm gonna start doing that more. So after my little facial, my little skincare routine or whatever, you know, I'm feeling clean, I'm feeling nice, took my shower, and it's time to find a fragrance. I think you are all very familiar with the fragrances, but they have candles as well. So y'all know that one of my favorite scents is the ambery vanilla, or it used to be called Florienta vanilla. I had to get the candle. First of all, I didn't know the candle was this huge. This candle is huge, and when I tell you, it smells so good. I didn't even have to light it to smell it. Like, it instantly just smell up the entire room. I love it. I absolutely love it. So y'all already know you can use my code AndImShelby10 for fragrances, but just know if you scroll somewhere on Dossier, you can get candles too. So link to that would also be in my description box below with any other information about Dossier. Y'all know the drill. And with that being said, I'm gonna light my candle and I'm gonna go to bed. This is the end of my maintenance visual diary. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.